These are the all-new paint match Sasquatch Fender Flares for the 21 and up Bronco. These are professionally prepped and painted. These are so simple to install, just a few minutes of your time, and that's all you need. What's up, Team Lethal fans? Jared from Lethal Performance here, and I'm excited to announce a new product that we have here at Lethal Performance. These are the all-new paint match Sasquatch Fender Flares for the 21 and up Bronco. These will fit all 2 and 4-door Broncos, except for Heritage, Everglades, and Bronco Raptor models. These are direct fit OEM Fender Flares, which are professionally prepped and paint matched to the exact paint color that you guys have for your Bronco. These are so simple to install, and that's because we're using OEM Fender Flares to paint match them for you guys. Just a few minutes of your time, and these as your hand tools, and that's all you need. Now this is some Plasti Dip home spray paint can finish that we're offering here. These are professionally prepped and painted. Well worth every penny spent, and a great investment to make your Bronco look better. Let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how easy it is to install our paint match Fender Flares on this Bronco. All right, here we are. We've got 5 clips that hold this Fender Flare to the Bronco. Those clips, you're going to turn to the left 45 degrees. That's counterclockwise, guys. Let's go ahead and do it. Here we go. Move these clips again 45 degrees. Left. Here we go. 3, 4, and 5. Now that the clips are in the release position, you can pull on the fender away from the vehicle and it should release. Now for you guys that have never removed your Fender Flares on your Bronco, they might be a little bit harder to remove, but give it a gentle tug and it should come off nicely. Whoa! Now that we've removed the factory Fender Flare, we're going to install the paint match Fender Flare in the exact same fashion that we removed this one. Look at the finish on this baby, and we're going to install it just like we removed the other one. Hold it right up, get these pins lined up, push it in place. Now that we've got the Fender Flare on the vehicle, we're going to turn those clips clockwise, this way. So easy to install, even a Sasquatch can do it. So let's go ahead and have them do the rear one. There you have it, guys, the all-new paint match Sasquatch Fender Flares for your 21 and up Bronco. So simple to install, so simple to remove. They look amazing. Make sure to head on over to lethalperformance.com and pick up your set today. And if you guys have any questions, you can reach out to us at 561-753-8105. I'm the Mustang King, Bronco King, and I'm out of here. Not coming off. Whoa! Whoa! It doesn't work. I can't get my finger in there. No? Oh, no. I can't, dude. These are too long, dude. No.